Pairing the handheld with the iPad. To put the OccluSense system into operation, a wireless network connection to the iPad has to be established. First, switch on the handheld. To switch on the handheld, press the pink button. Since the handheld is not stored a previously configured wireless network, it first creates its own network to which the iPad has to be connected. The wireless network name and password are shown on the handheld display. Now go to the iPad settings. Tap on Wi-Fi and switch it on. All available networks are being displayed. Select the OccluSense network and enter the password, which is shown on the display of your handheld. Once the connection has been established successfully, it is indicated by color status bars on the display of your handheld.